Have you ever wondered about the resilience of celebrities, especially when it comes to facing adversity and bouncing back from setbacks? Let's dive into the story of Johnny Depp, an actor and director who has shown us time and time again that perseverance and talent can lead to an incredible comeback. Johnny Depp, a beloved figure in Hollywood, is set to premiere his latest directorial endeavor, Modi, 3 Days on the Wings of Madness, at the San Sebastian Film Festival this September. This film, an adaptation of Dennis McIntyre's play Modigliani, tells the story of Italian artist Amedeo Modigliani during his time in Paris. Interestingly, this movie played a significant role in Depp's professional resurgence as he navigates his career following domestic violence accusations from his former spouse, Amber Heard, and a high-profile defamation trial. Modi follows the fast-paced 3-day journey into Italian bohemian artist Modigliani, played by Riccardo Scamarcio, in World War I-era Paris.
Modigliani encounters bombs, policemen, love interests, and critics in Warsaw that is called the desperate quest for a place to display his artwork. The film also features Stephen Graham, Antonia Desplat, and Al Pacino, with Pacino playing a crucial role in Mississippi This Film Possible. 8.
Left Point One men in film at the time of what's called Far Appall, on critical Depp's first directorial project, The Brave. Depp's first directorial project, The Brave, debuted at the Cannes Film Festival in 1979. Federal DC Jeff Goes cut to avoid distributing it in theaters or on home media. He says, despite a significant drop in his career following accusations of domestic abuse in 2018, Depp's dedicated fan base made it challenging to claim he was completely canceled. His high-profile court's battle with Amber Heard in 2022 resulted in a jury decision that she had defamed him, fueling speculation that his comeback was imminent. 2023 marked Johnny Depp's impressive comeback on the big screen, with a role as Louis XV in Maywin's film Jean de Bering, and a voice role in the animated movie Johnny Puff: Secret Mission.
Upcoming, Depp will appear alongside Jason Momoa, Adam Driver, and Jeff Bridges in the multi-starred comedy fantasy, The Carnival at the End of Days.
As we eagerly await the premiere of Modi at the San Sebastian Film Festival, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of resilience and the determination of artists like Johnny Depp. And now for a little joke. Why don't we ever invite Johnny Depp to play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're a shining star. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.